Bitcoin mining's carbon footprint, how to make crypto more eco-friendly. The environmental impact of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has become a growing concern in recent years. Bitcoin mining, which is essential for the functioning of the Bitcoin network, requires a significant amount of energy and results in the release of large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. There are several solutions that can be implemented to reduce the carbon footprint of Bitcoin mining, including transitioning to the use of renewable energy sources, using off-grid or remote mining operations, and incentivizing Bitcoin miners to use renewable energy sources. Additionally, using proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies can help reduce the environmental impact of digital currencies.